Welcome to a chef called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you to make a quick and simple sourdough starter. Grab your trusty wooden spoons. We'll all meet back in the kitchen while I teach you how to make sourdough starter. What ingredients do I need today for my sourdough starter? I need 3 tablespoons of organic rye flour, 3 tablespoons of spring water at room temperature, a glass jar with a cover that is loose fitting, and a spurtle. I begin by adding 3 tablespoons each of the rye flour into my glass jar like so. I'll add my water and I'll take my wooden spurtle. What is a spurtle? Nothing more than a long, thin wooden spatula. I'll mix the ingredients together to form this nice thick and lumpy paste. I will cover the jar with my loose-fitting lid and I will allow the mixture to ferment at room temperature for 24 hours. You will, however, need to discard half the mixture after the initial 24 hours. We call this feeding the starter. The same measurements of water and rye flour again and cover with the loose-fitting lid after mixing. Allow to ferment at room temperature for another 24 hours and repeat the discard process. Repeating the discard process and fermenting for the 12 days ensures that you will have a nice mature sourdough starter ready to bake with. It does take a little time to create and develop a mature rye sourdough starter, about 12 days. The time spent is well worth it. Stay tuned as our next cooking show. I'm going to teach you how to make this very bread here that you see using the very starter that I just taught you to make. Many thanks for watching today's cooking show. If you have not already subscribed to A Chef Called Rhonda, please consider doing so. And remember, it's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. Thank you for watching today's cooking show with A Chef Called Rhonda. Ciao! Arrivederci!